Yo, what up, good people? It's your boy STO Tactical, live and direct. Not exactly live, but definitely direct. And today we at the range, and we get ready to rock out with the Glocks out. You feel me? Quoted by Twin Gen 22. Shout out to that guy. Shout out to As Is Tactical. Shout out my man Sleeps So BK Fly. Jeffrey Chonda, Dr. T, Real Mag Drop, Backwoods Cartels, everything Von, Vontae, Real One. Y'all my peoples, man. One mag, one truth. Cold rain, baby. And we going out to 15 to start. And away it goes. Glock 30, A-zone hits. Hey, Twin Gen, this for you, baby boy. That's 10 rounds. You see how I get down. Let's bring it in so y'all can see this crap, man. Your boy don't play. Your boy don't play. Now look, we take that C-zone hit because it's still a hit. Right up in this area here, that's shit bag material. But in here, that's upper room. My man Twin Gen 22, he love his Glocks. And so do we. Cause we the Glock boys, man. Hey, Sleeps, get a piece of this, baby. Here's the part where it get real crazy. I started at 15, right? Y'all see the work? We going to 20. STO Tactical. Y'all see me, right? Glock 30 performance. No performance trigger. All stop. One hand too. Come on, man. Come on, man. I do this too, baby. I do this too. Proof in the pudding. I flew in the C-zone again because I was talking Mac. But that's what I do. I might be quiet in the lives, but when I get in the room, I don't shuck and jive. I don't play no games with this here. I train for a purpose. And on top of that, we shooting 45 ACP. We ain't doing 9 mil. I mean, don't get it twisted now. She right there. So let's go. Another dub on them. Another dub for the win. So back in there, one more game for you. Come on, baby. Let's bring it in one more game. Let's bring it in one more game. And that is the work of STO Tactical. Would you like some more rounds? Would you like me to pass the 45 ACP, please? Shout out Twin Gen 22, baby. One mag, one truth. Mr. One mag, one truth. Hey, yo, I know I'm just a small channel, and I'm trying to grow. Thank you for inviting me to the table, bro. Thank you for making me a part of the Twin Gen 22 family. I really appreciate each and every last one of y'all. STO Tactical, Range Day, Freedom Outdoors. Shout out Anna. Shout out Megan. Shout out Becky Ann. My SRO right over there chilling. I had to pull the camera on him. You feel me? We gonna get back into this here training though.
And this nigga ain't never get back. They know I'm black.